Hello students, let us come to the next topic of sets, that is the complement of a set. Let U be the universal set and let A be the subset of U. Then the complement of A is the set of all elements of U which are not the elements of A. It is denoted by A dash or AC or U minus A. Clearly, A complement equals to X such that X belongs to U and X does not belongs to A. Also, we can write A complement equals to U minus A as such. By Venn diagram, we can represent A complement as, suppose universal set, this is A, then A complement is this one. Let us shade it. So, the shaded portion is A complement. Now, one more concept is there, children. If we do the complement of the complement of a set, that is complement of the complement of A equals to set A itself. This also can be cleared from the help of the Venn diagram as, suppose this one is A complement is this one and complement of A is this set. So we can write over here A equals to A complement complement. Let us take an example as, suppose that the universal set U is equals to set containing the numbers from 1 to 10 and a set A which contains the numbers which consist of the numbers 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Then A complement, that is the complement of A, will be equals to U minus of A equals to over here 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Also A complement equals to over here the elements which are not in A, that is we can write X such that X belongs to U and X does not belongs to A complement. Then we can write over here this equals to U minus of A complement. Now U minus of A complement will be equals to set containing 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Over here U minus of this, you will be getting 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and this equals to the set A. Set A is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9.
Thus we get that complement of A complement equals to A.
Let us take one more example. If U is equals to set containing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, A is equals to set containing 2, 3, B is equals to set containing 3, 4, 5, then find A complement, B complement, A complement intersection B complement, A union B, and hence show that A union B whole complement equals to A complement intersection B complement. So let us start with first A complement equals to U minus of A. So let us subtract. So over here U minus A will be equals to 1, then 2 and 3 are there in set A. So 1, 4 and 1, 4, 5 and 6. B complement equals to U minus of B. Now U minus 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5 we will not write. So 1, 2 and 6. Now A complement intersection B complement. Let us find the intersection of these two will be equals to set containing 1 and 6. Now A union B. So A union B, these two, union of these two will be equals to set containing 2, 3, 4 and 5. Also A union B whole complement is equals to U minus of A union B. So this will be equals to U is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minus A union B is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this will be equals to 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry. So this will be equals to 1 and 6. U minus A union B 2, 3, 4, 5. This 2, 3, 4, 5 we will not write. Left is 1, 6. So we have written 1, 6. So we got A complement, B complement, A complement intersection B complement, A union B. Now we have to show that A union B whole complement equals to A complement intersection B complement. Clearly from 1 and 2, clearly from 1 and 2 we get A union B whole complement equals to A complement intersection B complement, because their value is both set containing 1, 6. So children, now let us come to the properties of complements of a set. Now 4 properties I have written over there. Property number 1 is complement laws. That is A union A complement equals to the universal set and A intersection A complement equals to the set phi, that is the empty set. Now De Morgan's law. De Morgan's law is the complement of the union of the sets is the intersection of their complements. Or number 2, the complement of the intersection of the sets is the union of their complements. That is A union B whole complement equals to A complement intersection B complement, and A intersection B whole complement equals to A complement union B complement. Law of double complementation. That is A complement equals to A. This we have verified also with the help of an example. Law of empty set and the universal set. Phi complement equals to the universal set and U complement equals to phi. Now let us do the proof of the properties of the complements of the set. Number 1 was the complement laws, that is A union A complement equals to the universal set U and A intersection A complement equals to the empty set phi. So let us start the proof of number 1. Proof number 1. Let X belongs to A union A complement. This implies X belongs to A or X belongs to A complement. This implies X belongs to A or X does not belongs to A. Here either X is belonging to A or X is not belonging to A. This implies X belongs to U. This implies over here A union A complement is the subset of U. Now similarly again, let Y belongs to U. This implies Y belongs to over here A union A complement. This implies U is the subset of A union A complement. So from 1 and 2 we can write A union A complement equals to U. Similarly, we can do the proof of this subpart number 2, A intersection A complement equals to phi. Now let us understand the proof of the same law, that is the complement law of the union, with the help of the Venn diagram. Let us draw over here Venn diagram, that is this one. This number 1 we will be proving. So over here let us suppose this one is the universal set, this is the set A. So A is this one, union of universal set, the set A. So this will be the A complement. So union of these two, we will be getting this portion and plus this portion. So this will be equals to, this one is A and this one is A complement. So over here this one is A union A complement we are doing, equals to, we will be getting the universal set, and this one is A. So the whole portion will be shaded. So A union A complement equals to the whole set U. A is this one, A complement, except A the remaining portion, and A union A complement is the whole set U. Similarly children, you try for the subpart number 2, the algebraic as well as the Venn diagram proof.